Students, a very good morning to all of you. Today's our class will be continuous to photochemistry unit first, part second. Some reactions we already discussing on Norris type first in Norris type second. Today's our topic of that photolysis of diazo compound. Photolysis of diazo compound. Today we discuss on this topic. Students, you know that diazo means two nitrogen. One nitrogen known as azo and second nitrogen known as diazo. So diazo means two nitrogen. Which compounds known as diazo that N2, having N2, that is the azo compound, and photolysis of diazo compounds. Diazo compounds upon irradiation yield carbons in singlet state. That is, you see here that is a CH2N2. N2 here is known as a diazo compound. And photolysis, that photon react with photon to form carbene. Here this is carbene. And that is H is a substituted by alkyl group. Then second reaction will be continuous, that is the carbene is RR-C. Here this is carbene. Carbene formed are highly reactive and may be interrupt in olefin as well as react with aromatic compound. Here you see that this is the alkene, 2-butene, react with carbene to form a cyclo compound. This is the cyclo compound, and cyclo compound, that is the cis and trans. And benzene also react with carbene then to form cycloheptatriene. One carbon attach on compound to form a extra ring. But alpha diazoketone undergoes rearrangement after the formation of ketene at a rate much faster than their interruptant. This is the diazo compound react with photon H nu. After the rearrange and complete reactions prepare a cyclo compound. That is the triphenyl substitute carbonyl compound. At first, compounds are prepared after they rearrange and from the ketene, and ketene convert into a cycle and triphenyl cyclobutane. This is the cyclic compound. Then you say cyclohexane, diazo, cyclohexanone, diazo cyclohexanone react with H nu, that is the reaction complete by this process, and during contraction after that form a cyclopentane ring. Thus, highly strained compounds can also be prepared photochemically. That is these compounds, that is the highly strained. Now, next topic our is the photochemical cyclization. Many dienes and polyenes can be cyclized to give cyclic isomer photochemically. That is this compound cyclobutadiene compound. This is the olefin, and to form a cyclic compound by the photolysis. This reaction is also the photochemical, and second reaction is also the photochemical to form a cyclohexadiene, and third is also the ergosterol precalciferol. That is the ergosterol convert into precalciferol. This is the important reactions according to exam. This reaction is important. Ergosterol convert into precalciferol by the photolysis of the compound, and conversion of the norboradiene, that is the norboradiene 1,4-diene to quadriclane. This is the 1,4-diene and to quadriclane. This is the quadriclane. This is also the important reaction. Cage compound like cubane can also be obtained through photochemical cyclization. That is the bromocyclopentanone react with this compound and to form this compound. This is the cyclization. These all types reactions of the photochemical reactions. Photochemical rearrangement of the cyclohexadienone and alpha xanthone to lumesantonine. Also the important reactions. Norborane beta unsaturated ketones give photocyclization analogous to cyclohexadienone. Photoisomerism benzoyl compounds as in this compound. These reactions. Okay. Now we discuss photo addition. Photo addition, it means addition reactions via photon. Photo addition involve 1,1 adduct formation between ground state of the one molecule and excited state of the other. At first we discussion on photo addition between alkene and carbonyl compound. This is the alkene, this is the carbonyl compound. This reaction is known as Paterno-Bucci reaction. This is the important Paterno-Bucci reaction. Gives oxidants. Reaction normally occurs between ground state of alkene and triplet state of the carbonyl compounds and is more effective when T1 is of an n-pi star rather than pi star type. The example of this. Photo addition of alkenes and alkynes or to aromatic compound. This is the first reactions of the benzene react with the cyanoethane to form a extra ring cyclocompound. 1, 2 adduct. And third type the photodimerization of alkene. Conjugated diene and aromatic compound. This is the 2-cyclopentadiene, cyclopentadiene and cyclohexanone. Nice. benzophenone to form this compound, and after this convert into this cis trans isomer. For detail, see units. One example of this is the cis and trans. Photochemical kinetics, calculation rates of the radiation process. To derive photochemical rate law, let us consider following hypothetical photochemical reaction, that is the A convert into product by the photon. It is beam of I0 intensity, that is the reactions shall B width and S area of the cross section. The number of the Einstein absorbed per second will be Si0 minus I. Here I0 is the intensity, beam of intensity passed and through the cell B. Here I is the intensity of the transmitted light. Then we know that the Beer-Lambert law, according to Beer-Lambert law, that is the log I upon I0 is equals to alpha B and active mass of the A, that is the I is equals to I0 theta minus AB A. Here A is the proportionality constant, number of the Einstein absorbed per second, that is the S is equals to S I0 minus I. From equation 1, first and second, that is the S I0 minus I is equals to Si0 I minus E minus ABA. That is the complete. After that, this solution, this equation we found number 5. Now equation known as the photochemical rate law. Calculation of rates of radiative process. Let us consider the reactions anthracene is benzene when it is irradiated with light of say frequency nu. Reaction causes dimerization and the simultaneous fluorescence. If the frequency of fluorescence is this, then frequency of the fluorescence is less than nu. Then following mechanism, that is the mechanism first, anthracene is H nu is equal to K1 anthracene star, this is excited molecule anthracene. K2, it is a dimerization, that is the anthracene 2, and anthracene star K3 anthracene plus H nu fluorescence. That is the reaction known as the fluorescence. Mechanism second is this, anthracene and H nu, that is the K1 and anthracene star, this is the active excitation, and anthracene star and anthracene K2 and anthracene 2, this is the reverse reaction also, that is the dimer. Anthracene to form a dimer, then dimer is converted into the anthracene excited anthracene and normal anthracene. Anthracene excited convert into the anthracene plus H nu. Here is the H nu, that is the nu is the frequency and this is the wave number. Let us represent anthracene by A and derive the rate law of the formation of dimer from above mechanism first and second and calculate the quantum yield. According to this equation, we find out the quantum yield. Quantum yield is the phi. That last this equation phi A2 K1 K2 A minus K minus to K3 A3 A2 I0 minus 1 upon K2 A plus K3. This is the equation. This expression indicates that quantum yield depend upon the intensity of the absorbed light. Now next we design quenching. Quenching, this is the important topic for your examinations. For photosensitizations and quenching, for fluorescence may be quenched If the excited species undergoes collision with a normal molecule before it has chance to the fluorescence, quenching of fluorescence is feasible because the energy transfer from excited state of molecules to the molecule with the which is the collide. Another reason for the quenching is that molecule changes from singlet excited state to triplet excited state, which is more stable than phenomena is known as internal quenching (IQ). Sometimes quenching occurs when some material added externally take up energy from excited state to this known as the external quantity. Internal quenching and external quenching. If Q is the quencher, then quenching may be illustrated given below. That is the A. A react with photon to form A star. This is the activation process. And A star is convert into A plus H nu. That is the fluorescence. First H nu absorbed, that H nu is emitted. This process is the fluorescence and K1 is the rate constant. A star convert into A in internal quenching. A star plus Q. Q is the external energy. External, that is the A plus Q is external quenching. Upon applying steady state approximation A star, that is the IA, K1 A star plus K2 A star, K3 A star and Q. That is the equation number. Next. Here I is intensity of the absorbed light, and if IF is the intensity of fluorescence, then quantum yield fluorescence is the phi F and phi Q. That is the IF upon IA. K1 A star upon K1 A star, K2 A star, K3 A star, Q. According to this equations, last equations, we found that the Q1, that is the Q O upon Q phi Q is equals to 1 K3 tau Q plus 1 KSV Q. Here KSV is equals to K3 tau and tau is equals to 1 upon K plus K, K1 plus K2. Here equation number next known as the Z. Equation Z is known as the Stern-Volmer equation. This is the important Stern-Volmer equation, which is KSV is the steam-Volmer constant. Tau is the lifetime and A star is the absence of external quenching. Tau is the lifetime of A star in absence of external quenching. From this equation, it is indicated that phi O upon phi Q depends on the Q linearly. The slope of the line gives K3 tau, from which tau can be determined. An important quencher is ditertiary butyl nitroxide, which is efficient quencher for triplet excited state because it does not absorb strongly at 3130 angstrom. Hence, it is used for quencher in the irradiation of the 4,4 dimethyl 2-cyclohexanone. This system gives the linear Stern-Volmer plot, that is the phi O upon phi Q versus Q. This is the stem linear plot. Important topic, stem linear plot. This part is important. The slope of stem linear K, Q, T and tau is lifetime of excited state being quenched. The value of K, Q can be estimated from the Debye equation for diffusion control rates. Thus, quenching provides kinetic method for the estimated excited state lifetime. Okay, now total units I have completed of your syllabus. Unit first, unit 4 and half part of the unit third, that 2.5 unit I will be complete. Thank you so much. Prepare your notes and learn also. Thank you so much.